Hello, everybody, and welcome back. It's Angela with To Restore You. And, I am totally pumped up for National Scrapbooking Month, which is this month, the month of May. And I've had this bundle. I have not opened it. And I really, really, really want to get into it. So I decided I was just going to do this. I have no idea. This might have to be in like three different parts, but this is my kit that I got. Look how full this thing is. Oh my gosh. And it's called the National Scrapbooking Day Celebration Bundle. So if you just wanted to invest in a lot of paper, a lot of supplies, one time without having to go shopping, this might be for you. It is an investment. I believe that the kit is, how am I going to do this? I think it's $256, but if you're buying other items, so if you need things like distress oxide or some of those stickles or pearls or any other things, you can get it, you can invest in everything at Close to My Heart and then get the goodie bundle for almost half. So I think it was like $170 for everything. So when I start going through this, I think you're gonna, I don't know how I'm gonna do this with staying organized, but we're just gonna roll with it. So this one is, what is this called? Let's see. This is the Lovely Packet. Okay, so this appears to be a card making kit. So most of the workshops and kits yep, it sure is. So now you know why I do a lot of envelope journals, because I have, oh, these are adorable. Look at this. I love it. The long ones. And we're going to do something fun with those. My gosh, I've got a year. I seriously should just do this. I just became a creative again with Close to My Heart. So I think I'm just going to do this every year. And then that's going to be what I create from all year long, because it just sounds like a fabulous idea. So this is a card making kit, and it comes with some loose sequins. And then sending you hugs. This has got llamas. This would be cute for little kids too. It's got you're adorable, hello friend. It's got koalas and llamas and zebras. Super, super cute. Yeah, this is going to be, I'm going to have to do some pausing in between here. But let's see what it comes with. So it comes with, it looks like 12 sheets of paper. And that's pretty paper. And of course, they all have my favorite, the zip strips on them. So you've got all of those. And then it does have, it looks like comes with some solid cardstock too. So super, super adorable. Okay, here we go. I'm about to make a mess. You guys can't see any of it, but I'll be putting this all back together for a long time coming. Let's see, what do we got here? Well, I don't know. It does not say. But I see some piggies. So we'll figure it out here. If nothing else, my gosh, all of the fun embellishments. I mean, one trip to your local craft store and you can spend $200 in no time if you let yourself, which don't tell my husband, but I may have done that before. There's some little sequins in there. Remember these? I always keep these separate and keep them out of my kits because I use them for my other ones. Oh, this has an album in it. Let's see what's in here. While I'm opening it, it looks like there's some lavender ribbon. And then I'll put this here while I open all the little piggies. And then it says things like chill, the cutest, celebrate, silly you, smile. Lots of funness. Oh, how adorable. So a little mini album to do all kinds of fun with to go with it. So now I'll just set that aside. I'm going to try to sort of be organized. And this looks like it's all solid cardstock, so that's awesome. I just saved some time there. This is like Christmas, you guys. Okay, packet number, oh, this one's full of stuff. And it's got Party Girl fun on here. Oh my gosh, there's like things within things here. Some really pretty blush ribbon, which there's another, the You Are Enough kit. Well, that will go awesome with. So will these stamps, actually. Okay, I'm just going to take, this has got a plethora of things inside of it. So it comes with the Party Girl stamp set. These are usually about $18.95 a piece, so bargain. It's got, you can't see this, but these are glitter stickers. There's a birthday one, celebrate. You see them kind of backwards there. So we have that, and then it's got coordinating. Oh, it comes with more of the You Are Enough cardstock, which if you haven't watched it, I'll stick a card up there so you can see what's in this packet. But you have seen this before. This was the You Are Enough. It's part of that as well. And then the White Daisy cardstock and some additional page protectors. So awesome sauce. See, I knew I was talking right about something. All right, I'm setting this aside, so just give me a sec. I'm going to pause for a minute. Okay, sorry about that, friends. I'm back. I had a little friend that wanted to come and see us. Say hi. Miss Zenny, the cockapoo, she had to go potty. So I had to take a break longer than expected. Anyway, I'm back. So these are the last two. So in total, we will have 5 complete kits that we can work from. And this is the next to the last. This is Mix in May, and it comes with a stencil sheet. I don't know if you can see that very well. And some pearl stickers, Bluebell pearl stickers. And then in this one, we get More Than You'll Ever Know. And it says, nothing is impossible. The world itself says, I'm possible. Oh my goodness. You're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think, and loved more than you will ever know. Very cool. And then it's got grit, mix of hard work, consistency, and hustle. All right, so what's in this kit? Beautifulness. I love these colors. So these can all be cut out. They're not perforated, so you do have a backside of geometric shapes, but little tags that you can make. And then it's got this really pretty periwinkle blue polka dots, some florals, and then on the backside it's got some little arrow thingies, wood grain. Ooh, you gotta love this. My imagination is going wild. And then a black and white. And then inside the kit, it also has, ooh, look at, ooh, hold on. It has cardstock, but it also has some die cuts. Aren't those fancy schmancy? It's always a surprise when you open these up. Here's another one. Let's see, are there more? Be gentle with that. Let's see, flip that over. And remember, these are 2 colored. Then you always have some White Daisy stock, and this one again has more page protectors. So I was just quickly doing math in my head, and I was like, okay, if I only got 5 stamp sets, I mean, that's like $70. If I got all of those kits, that's like over, let's see, $170 for a kit. Plus you get 5 of them and all of the extras. So like they don't just have the cards in them like this one does. This is cheerful, and it's got a whole bunch of cards. It's got puffy stickers. And then this one is This one has, it seems like it has more than one stamp set in it. So let's check it out. Yep. So it has, let's see if I can put this up here so you can see it. This one that says, we were told we had to sign this. Thanks for being older than me. So this would be great for journaling and cards. I forgive you for being cuter, funnier. So that's kind of silly little sentiments. And more sentiments. Get better soon. You're really amazing. I have someone who could probably use one of these cards today, so I think I'll whip one of those up after we're done. And now our card stack. Let's see what we got. Looks like we have two of those. Cute. We have some green, which has, ooh, lovely grid paper. And you guys, this is just so nice because everything matches. We don't have to think about it. Some polka dot, some just a yellow with a real delicate pattern in there. And of course, our cardstock. So you guys, I mean, I am so excited. Like this will literally take me all year to go through and use all of these papers. But the coolest part about it is that as I'm planning my journals and my page layouts, I have everything at the ready in one little paper pack, and all I have to do is just grab it. So I'm loving that. With that, my friends, that is all I've got for you today. I hope that you take time to subscribe. If you use any of these products, I am providing you guys links below in case you need them. But if you use any of these products, I would love nothing more than having you tag at To Restore You, whether it's on Facebook or on Instagram, or commenting on our YouTube channel and just telling us and showing us all that you are doing. And of course, you can always join our VIP page and showcase some of your beautiful artwork as well. So I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you next time. And until we create again, remember, just take time to just be. Cheers.